Welcome to Crewe. This is a quick video tour of this new approved used vehicle in our stock. This is the Seat Alhambra 2 litre TDI SE and it's a 150 PS DSG 5-door vehicle. It's a diesel and it comes in the colour Romance Red. This vehicle does come with the daytime running lights and does also come with cruise control. The Alhambra is fitted with comfort suspension and has the 17-inch alloy wheels. We've got the sliding door and tinted windows on the back of the vehicle, and it does come with parking sensors. We've also got Isofix fitted, which helps obviously with child seats. And as you can see, the boot space is very large with access to putting extra seats up in the back of the vehicle. It's the sliding door, very simple to use. If you slide it open, and we've got the 3 seats in the back, 2 extra seats in the further back, and also the mats which do pull up. Nice amount of leg room. In the front we've got this dashboard display. Also got electric window switches in the front and the headlight control. The black leather steering wheel, and we've also got the gear selector. It's keyless entry, stop start function with this little button here, simply placing your foot on the brake and pressing start. The electronic handbrake switch just there next to the keys. We've also obviously got the aircon options. This vehicle is also fitted with full length, the DAB radio, navigation and some other options. It is touchscreen, so it does simply work by touching it. Got these seats in the front which do match the ones in the back, same material and design, and electric window switches in the front. This is one of our largest models with lots of space, especially in the boot, and it does have cruise control. If you're interested in this vehicle, please feel free to pop over to Crewe and speak with them on our used car sales team, or give us a call on 01270 864 430. Thanks for watching.